Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to set the IMS action status and add remarks on the downloaded purchase invoices in Tally Prime. Once you have downloaded the invoices, you can act on them from the IMS Inward Supplies report. Depending on the action status set, your ITC will be made available in GSTR2B. Press Alt-G, type or select Invoice Management System and press Enter. The IMS Inward Supplies report screen appears. By default, the report will show the data from all your GST registrations. If needed, you can view the data only for a particular registration by pressing F3. You can also change the view of the report as required to Action View or Reconciliation View. To learn more about the IMS Inward Supplies report, refer to the video How to View the IMS Inward Supplies report in Tally Prime. Drill down from the required section in the IMS Inward Supplies report. The IMS Inward Voucher Register screen appears. Press spacebar to select one or more invoices and press F10 to set the action status. You can choose from the following statuses. In accepted, the invoice is accepted and ITC will be included in GSTR2B. In rejected, the invoice is rejected and ITC will be excluded from GSTR2B. The invoice will participate in the ITC rejected section of GSTR2B. In pending, the invoice will be kept pending for you to review later. It will appear in the Inward Supplies report until you accept or reject it. In case you do not want to take any action, you can select No Action. Note that the invoices with the IMS action status set to No Action will be deemed as accepted during GSTR2B generation. While setting the action status to pending, you can enter the effective date for GSTR2B and GSTR3B for your books data. To set separate effective dates for GSTR2B and GSTR3B, press F12 and enable the option Set Separate Effective Dates for GSTR2B and GSTR3B. Similarly, while setting the action status to rejected, you can choose to exclude the invoice from GSTR3B of your books data. This is useful when an invoice is disputed and you do not want to claim the ITC. Set the required action status. Once you upload the invoices back to the GST portal, the set action statuses will be effective. Now, let us see how to add remarks on invoices. You can also add remarks on invoices for convenient tracking or audit references. In the IMS Inward Voucher Register screen, press spacebar to select one or more invoices and press Alt-W to add remarks. In the GST Remarks field, enter the note and press Ctrl-A to save. To see the remarks in the register, press F12 and enable Show Remarks. When you export the invoice to Excel, these remarks will also be included. As you saw, Tally Prime gives you full control over IMS Inward invoices, helping you act accurately, report correctly, and track everything clearly. To know more about Tally Prime features, visit help.tally.com.